So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my 3-week hair update. Since I have done these spring twists in my hair, I know I have not given you guys an update, and I'm getting ready to redo my hair, mainly because it's going to be Easter weekend and I want my hair to look a little bit more decent and neater than what it looks now. And plus 3 weeks was just the perfect time frame to give you guys an update. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Now, as you guys can see, this is how my hair is looking. For the most part, the twists are holding up pretty well. I mean, they're still locked in place, not unraveling, nothing of that sort. So that's really good. So I do have to say again that I do love this spring twist hair from Beyond Beauty. It works really good. Yes, I am going to go ahead and redo them, so it's going to be the same color, but if I decide to do these again way later in a couple months, I will choose another color just to see how it works out for me. Here's how my hair is looking. So it still looks pretty decent, just minus the hair, the new hair growth and all that stuff. Now, about 2 things have been going on. I have not washed my hair yet. Like while I had this in, for some reason, I just really decided not to do that. But since I'm gonna redo my hair, I will make sure that I do a whole like washing my hair while the spring twists are in. The next time for you guys, I will film that. 2 things have been going on since I've had this hair installed. Now, first of all, my scalp is very itchy, not necessarily because it's dirty, but I have a very dry scalp. Not very dry, I'm over exaggerating, but I tend to have a dry scalp. My hair is low porosity. Nothing wants to stay in. Even if I put something in, it's like a temporary relief for the itch, and it just drives me crazy. So I can't wait to actually wash my hair and just get deep into it and all that stuff. And then secondly, as you guys may be familiar with, my hair is starting to come out of the twist in certain areas. If you are familiar, when I talked about this, my hair is no longer in its state that it was before because my hair is very straight due to the silk press that I had gotten. So my hair is not kinky anymore, so it's not going to, you know, stay in place with the twist. And I feel like that definitely would stay in place if my hair was back into its, you know, state, but it's not, and there's nothing I can do about that right now. So that's another thing, is my hair's just been peeking through in certain areas, not a whole lot. And then of course, just the new growth. So it honestly does not look that bad at all. I just have this thing where if it starts looking, if I'm just not, you know, satisfied, I tell you guys this all the time, but I mean, it is gonna be Easter, so I just want my hair to look a little bit more neater. But it's not too bad. I mean, if it wasn't Easter weekend, I honestly would leave these like that and give y'all actually a month update. Next week will be a month since I've had these in. But yeah, it's not looking that bad at all. But I just wanted to get on here and update you guys about this hair before I take all this out and redo it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below and I will try my best to answer them for you guys. I will leave all the information down in the description box as well. If you have not looked at my hair tutorial using Beyond Beauty's hair to do this hairstyle, I will link it down in the description box as well as in the cards. So make sure you guys check that video out if you have not. It's a little long, but it is in-depth hair tutorial. Anywho, if you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you won't miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, hope you guys enjoy the video and I will see you in my next one.